In this video, I will be telling you, is it possible to order from Temu to India? For that, the process is very simple. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into the video. I will be providing Temu link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So the thing is, before ordering anything from the Temu, we should know that is Temu available in India or not. For that, open up Temu website and go to the region section. In the region, go to the change country and region section. And once you do it, you will be able to see country and region option here. So these are all the countries where Temu application and website is currently available and properly functioning. So in here, as you guys can see that there is no country named India mentioned in here. I'll be just making sure that I don't miss anything. So I'm just gonna type in I, and you guys can see that there is no country name with India in here. And let's just go and cross-check it with the other website. Here you guys can see that the I section is here, but there is no country India available right now. But Temu is planning to launch the Temu application in India very soon, so you guys can make sure that you follow the channel. So I'll be updating you guys whenever the Temu will be available in the region. So if we go to the Temu shipping countries list, here you guys can see that in North America, it's United States and Canada. In Europe, these are the countries where it's available currently. In Asia, these are specifically countries. The list is keep updating every now and then because Temu is currently expanding its business in different sort of countries. So these are the countries where Temu is currently available. So you guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.